Nepal, at the start of your video, you referred to yourself as an average student. What did you mean by this?
So, frankly, how kids, ever since their childhood, they have an interest in sports or art, or they're just good at maths. But I was one of those kids who was extremely mediocre at whatever she did, and I always grew up believing that I did not have any natural talent. So that's what I meant when I said that I was just an average kid. But as I grew up, I realized that hard work could always beat talent. And right now I'm still the same average kid, but I believe that with hard work and dedication, I can be whoever I want to be.
What would you say to kids or parents who believe that they are average students or their children are average students? What would you tell them?
I'd like to believe that natural talent is just a myth, because I was an average kid, like I said. So I'd like to tell them, please let your children know that if they put their heart and their passion into anything, they can achieve anything that they want to achieve in life.
Great, thank you so much. What is the biggest problem faced by your country, and how would you solve it?
Unemployment has been one of the biggest challenges that we've been facing as a country, as a lot of youth are migrating to foreign countries for job opportunities. So I believe that creating more jobs through tourism, which happens to be one of our biggest strengths as a country, is a way to go about it. I would like to promote to the world that Nepal is a country of diverse culture, ethnicity, and religions, traditions, and we are just people who love celebrations, we love festivals, and I'd like to welcome the world to Nepal with big, bright smiles.
Thank you.